Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai bringing you the news and events in Meghalaya. The headlines for today are: Meghalaya government restructured police force FS10. Random test conducted in Nongse, Upper Shillong. And market opened after few changes and restrictions being made, JHADC. And now the news in detail. Meghalaya Home Minister Lakman Rumbui today informed that the Cabinet has approved to restructure the police force belonging to Special Force 10, set up by the previous government to maintain law and order and also to contain militancy in the state. Speaking to the media, Rumbui said that since militancy has been contained in the state government strongly felt that the excess manpower of SF10 should be utilized in other police outposts and police stations in the different parts of the state to contain the daily crimes in these police outposts and stations. Rumbui also said that some of the police personnel who have been infected by COVID-19 infection have been properly taken care by the state government. On the non-observance of COVID-19 protocol in Shillong, Rumbui said that action will be taken and there is an exception to this, as people need to go to hospitals and vehicles with passes are allowed to ply, but this does not mean that they are allowed to break the protocol.
Of this 905 which will remain as SF10, 183 will be in SF10 headquarters, 361 in a tactical base in Eastern Range, which will be established in First MLP between Maoyong, and 361 in a tactical base in Western Range, which will be established in second MLP Battalion Gore Grade. So this 905 will be will be stationed in these three locations. And from now onwards, the one is very important point is that all the entry into this SF10 will be a lateral entry from any wing of the police, maybe from battalion or from other wing of the nuclear police. See, once we have strengthened the police personnel in different districts or outposts or police station, then it will surely help in curbing the crime of the everyday crime which happen all over the state. As I mentioned to you, that as of now, 1,387 SF10 out of the total sanctioned strength of 1,754, which the Cabinet approved to restructure into 905. So we have a balance of 482 SF10. So this 482, we could transfer to different districts for the better policing in different parts of the district of the state.
Considering the rising positive cases in the state, Nongse, one of the localities which falls under Million Block, today the 11th May 2021, conducted a random test for all locality people. This test was conducted due to the rising COVID-19 cases in the area. The random test was held in Madonna Convent campus Nongse, Upper Shillong. Many locality people came forward to get themselves tested for the virus. Till afternoon of today, more than 100 people came forward for the test. Speaking to Shatstar Nongse, Secretary COVID Committee Nongse, informed that out of the many who came for the test, 6 persons were found positive. He also said the test today is just the beginning. They will consult with the authority and if needed, they will have more random tests in the days to come.
Random test kontaksi kalau nomor bang ini ada sofrang kalau jong COVID-19 akan jela jong ibu away lewat akan senang ke jong ibu ini mentah apa ulas sedang menbun bayu positif case dan tak ada katanya senang dengan ada katanya frang ke jong ini yang Jepang COVID-19 kita katanya simkha jong kedua barsnong Haringkat kajing frelang buat ke Shastri Memorial Dispensary, haringkat i doktor nang tay buat i video jongi, tay ngilai long meeting, hakan ka senang ke jongi buat ngilai akan yang i, dia ka neka random test, tay sampai ya kajing kristom i video i doktor, la arrange kontaksi, nado minang staff, nado sedang, nado pot nai video staff, aduk mentah te kalong kajing sengaja ke senang kata ko jongi mah ngiak biang ke random tes mentah te mentah nak ni random tes idang syam don hi postik kes ki bang ngiak mentah sing kemban ringut ie te dakane ngisu bah random kajing ada kanya senang kata kajing sengaja kamtam begini ko tamo namar ngintip su kemolong mentah nang no kesedang senukan kut te long da kajing persang jongi dakane ko kompak te kanong kalat jing ada senang kata But kajing sapriang jung ni penyang jung pang ni. Kia buan pa. Tang ko mamantaro mana stang singi sha bikin sha ka stang singi untuk gila don gumbasis ka tam e. Dah haduk mantaro ki beri kampak sangai kawan. Te kiawan baik ni. Respon pa. Kong na borok ka snong hi borok away kan Taiwan. Ha kani ka mamantak singi ka ditang mantak singi baik ni ha. Okay. Amin sa nang pet pada nang ni semat pada longin saya konsult yang buat i doktor buat i video lada kadang idon kam te ngin haban persang biang ni saya siat kumula matasi kiwan tang saungut lawan yalam doktor mana kiwan saungut buat tes ya kan ga long kiwan simtas kan ya tai koi mana dak step ni lain tes mata.
Speaking to one lady, she expressed that it is the responsibility of each and every individual to come forward for the test, since the situation is getting out of hand and no one knows who is positive and who is just a carrier. So therefore, to clear all doubts, it is better to go and get oneself tested.
Kana bangin la barat dengkong ni stop nama ba dang susok hian tengin tep la dangin tas tengin tep la da ka bangiwan kumne pat tengi yo di sai no yo jintep no ba la kangi lo ha kana condition ma tengin sutu ira dia tep kadan yang undang kita virus ngi tong tang bangile kumne pat telong ya ka ajing sai om tang ya kasam ko jongi hi le kalong ya kasno kata bro koi ke.
After closing the market from 3rd of May due to non-compliance to health protocols by the people, today, the 11th May 2021, the JHADC once again gave the permission to open the market with few changes and restrictions by adopting the odd and even numbers for opening of shops in the market. The volunteers from Lat Thalabor, from Dongmisni, along with officials from JHADC, including the Deputy Secretary in Charge Market, Shri H. Lamin, and others went to inspect the marketplace to ensure that everyone followed the protocols. Shri H. Lamin urges the public to cooperate with the government. He reiterated the fact that the surging COVID-19 positive cases in the state continues, and if the general public does not work together now, it will be impossible if things get out of hand. From the council and with the cooperation of the locality heads and the volunteers, all are trying hard to stop the spread of the virus.
Yagani ka chunong juai ko maya kya nga. Yagani ka regentia kya i. Yagani ka street Meghalaya kya i. Nga siyawa kentua yipi. Siyawa ya snok tilang. Siyawa kya lang yagani ka kang. Kanang uyi uyada. Yaw yi open kut yaw ni kunjri. Yaw ni virus. Wada chim chibon ki man sem ki godor. Your eye upet. Yaki nong kre aki hospital. Ki udah dok tiak dok dem. Ki habu cha e ko. Nei dao. Yong ini kekejut. Kamte ka sarkar da bo ki angi kendon ki udah perkin go. Haki yaw haki hat. Haki luti ki sengkin ki walai ko wani. Dari em kalat vorchangi udang ulai. Umi chalet. Dari em kalat i udang ulek kamte. Umi hidup saya umi asal ni, hong terat di umi, ngasih pentua, nebas dangan ngasih menek kamjo, iki biang ngasem giang ada kamjo, yaga cunang katau biang ada, kamjo leh, iki paronget, hapok kabalang giang ira kamjo ke upai ini, siapa, ya kong ulang, ya senak tilang.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.